Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best power banks on Amazon. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. Anker 737 Power Bank. If you want something with a lot of charge that transfers quickly, go for the Anker 737 Power Bank. It was for the most part the fastest bank we tried, capable of delivering the largest amount of charge in the shortest period for the iPad and Galaxy. Anker's 535 got the iPhone to 100%, an average of 2 minutes faster, but didn't give as many charges. The 737 fully charged our S22 Ultra 3 times, with enough power left over for another 93% charge, and those full charges were completed in under an hour on average. That's on par with wall charging. The numbers for the iPhone were slightly less staggering, but still impressive, going from 0 to full in about an hour and a half. The iPad charged completely twice and did so in just over 2 hours, which is also close to that device's wall-connected charge speeds. Number 2. Spigen Archibrid Mag. I went into this category expecting Apple's own MagSafe battery pack to be a top pick. And while it performed admirably, charging a dead 14 plus to about 43% in an hour and 45 minutes, Spigen's Archibrid delivered a 56% charge in nearly the same amount of time. The Archibrid firmly attaches to the MagSafe ring, and it's flush enough that you can easily hold your phone and use it while charging up. Unlike the Apple battery, it includes 4 indicator lights to help you gauge how much juice the pack itself has left. Considering Spigen's battery is $30 cheaper than Apple's, it's easy to recommend. Number 3. Anker 511 Power Bank. Until Android phones get something like MagSafe, a wired connection makes the most sense for on-the-go charges. The Anker 511 Power Bank is a cleverly designed unit about the size and shape of a slim stick of butter. The battery has enough capacity to charge a depleted Galaxy S22 Ultra to 75% in a little over an hour, so you'll be covered if you don't have long between flights to give your phone a bit more juice. It also has a built-in plug and allows for pass-through charging, which means it can act as a wall adapter if you're ever stuck with both a dead battery bank and a phone, but happen to be near an outlet. It doesn't come with a cable, though, so you'll need to provide one that can go from the bank's single USB-C port to your device. Number 4. OtterBox Fast Charge. At the medium capacity level, you can charge multiple devices at once or power up something larger than a phone. The OtterBox Fast Charge Power Bank only lists 15 mAh capacity, but it performed nearly as well as the 20 mAh batteries while costing about $30 less. Over the month and a half I spent testing battery packs, this was the unit I grabbed the most when my own devices needed a charge. It has a stylish exterior with a gray faux leather finish and copper detailing. A little bigger than a deck of cards and weighing just over 11 ounces. It's a nice-looking accessory that feels solid. Number 5. Nest Out Portable Charger. Plenty of battery packs are built to withstand drops and other abuse, but very few are waterproof or even water-resistant. It makes sense. Water and electrical charges aren't good companions. The Nest Out Portable Charger battery has an IP67 rating, which means it can handle being submerged in water for several minutes, and Nest Out claims a 30-minute dunk in a meter of water shouldn't interfere with the battery's operation. I couldn't think of a likely scenario where a power bank would spend a half hour in 3 feet of water, but I could see a backpacker traversing a river and submerging their pack for a few minutes, or a sudden downpour drenching all of their gear. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.